Okay, so we're about to die here on the
horizontal rotation.
we need to go.
Yeah, let's get out of here. This is not. Just move. Well, that's a big one. Oh no! Oh, it's a monster bass.
Guys, look at this bass that Isaac just pulled out.
Ooh, good one. I do a lot of spinnerbait fishing. Spinnerbait.
Can I help you? Why are you pointing the camera at me for content?
Alrighty, welcome back to another episode of the Spinnerbait Guy. We are out here on the lake with David, aka
Fishing for fishing.
and Kyle, aka Kyle. Watch it. We are out on the lake. The gnats are terrible. The skies are,
Ominous.
yeah,
Oh,
as seen by perfectly timed sound effects, as heard and seen.
You can't see a sound.
It's called a waveform, bud. These are actually some really sweet looking clouds we got out here.
That's why Isaac wants to leave.
Well,
To go storm chasing.
shh. So we are contemplating our next move. That's not yeah. I'm gonna go home.
Good frogging weather, boys. I don't play with lightning.
This has been fun episode of the Spinnerbait Guy. Tune in next time to see us actually catch a fish. Thanks for watching. Adios. Okay, as a trained weather spotter, that is not good.
Dang, that actually is. Okay, so we're about to die here on the
Horizontal rotation.
we need to go.
Yeah, let's get out of here. This is not. Just move.
Oh, dude, it got cold. Kyle, you need to get off the water.
Kyle, let's go. Oh my goodness, look at that rotation. It's right there.
Dude, that is not good.
Right on top of us.
That is a tornado.
No, that's rotation in the sky. A tornado touches the ground. Let's get out of here. Alrighty, welcome back to another episode of the Spinnerbait Guy. I am out here on Sleepy Eye Lake again. I know, I'm great with variety. With David, as you can see there, and Julian, as you can see there. We are frog fishing back by the lily pads. The weather's crappy, way too windy. David finally bought a real kayak, a hard body kayak, which is exciting, because he can actually be a real kayaker now.
What the heck is that? Ah, dang it. Ah, get away from me. A stupid bug just bit me.
Got him. Not bad. It's a bass. I don't know yet. Monster. Well, big. 4, at least 4. At least 4. All right, look at that fish, guys. Not bad. Not bad. I'm calling like 3 3/4 or maybe 4. But let's get it a weight and see what it is. Oh, it's small. 327. Anyway, let's get a release on him. David, do you have any words?
Fish. Bass. That's all I got.
All right, so stay tuned for some fish. Yeah, fish. That's what we're doing here. Fish. I just saw wham! I'm like, ah, what do I do? Oh yeah.
Like that shot. Oh, you didn't watch it yet.
Yep.
There's like 4 or 5 people on top.
Dang it. Missed him. Yep.
Oh, you missed him.
What the heck?
That's on camera.
What just happened? He like jumped. No, he was not on there. He was following it. So, how we doing?
What we're doing. Does my hair look amazing or what?
Some peanuts? What? Perfectly normal size jar of peanuts?
Look at how many are still in there. Dude, it's gonna take you
That's
a while
all
to
you've
finish
eaten
that.
today?
Yeah.
I don't have a chair, so I'm just gonna cruise this way, like this, all the way back.
Julian's enjoying a great book of Franklin.
No, now it's Clifford.
Actually, it's Clifford's kitten.
I'm
Get
sorry.
it right.
So,
What's more important?
yep, I caught 1 fish today. It was pretty bad. But, you know, some days are like that. They're pretty bad. David caught 2. Julian, did you catch any today?
Nah.
Yeah, it was a rough day. Weather was not great. Very windy on the water.
Talk about it.
Guys, please. Thank you.
What?
So yeah, just kind of a standard day on Sleepy Eye. Wasn't that great, but you know, it's a video. So thanks for watching. If you love this video, give it a like. No, if you like this video, give it a like. If you loved it, subscribe. Thanks guys, and see you in the next one.
Funniest thing ever.
All right, get out of my car. I need to go home. The one and only.
Spinnerbait. No. Mission for Fish. I'm sorry. If you want to subscribe to Mission for Fishing, that'd be great.